No camera, no photographer. Just one AI prompt and your product becomes a premium brand ad. This video has 15 such concepts, a quick breakdown for each, then the exact prompt so you can copy paste and try it on your own product right away. Let's get into it. Theme indoor. A bottle stands nestled in a crystal dish, surrounded by full pink roses and scattered almonds. Sunlight pours through lace curtains in the background, casting a soft romantic glow across the entire vanity scene. A bottle stands on a glass tray atop a clean white surface, flanked by two ceramic vases filled with baby's breath. Soft afternoon shadows stretch across the wall, creating a minimal, gallery-like stillness. A jar with a sculptural white lid rests on a stone surface, surrounded by scattered rose petals, lavender sprigs, and baby's breath. Soft natural light highlights the delicate florals in quiet, unhurried detail. A shampoo bottle stands centered on a marble pedestal, framed by an archway of cherry blossoms in full bloom. A hazy city skyline glows softly in the distance, while roses and tulips spill across the base in a quiet celebration of spring. Theme jungle. A bottle stands alone at the center of a dense, dew-covered jungle, framed by oversized monstera leaves. Shafts of golden light break through the canopy, illuminating the formula like a hidden botanical treasure. A bottle glows inside an ornate hanging lantern, encircled by tiny citrus trees and fairy lights. The lantern sways gently in a twilight orchard, surrounded by ripe oranges, lemons, and blooming white flowers. Theme water. A bottle stands balanced on a single lily pad, floating across a tranquil pond dotted with white lotus blooms. Morning light filters through surrounding greenery, casting a calm, meditative mood over the water. A bottle sits on a weathered wooden swing, overlooking a beach at golden hour. Plumeria flowers and seashells rest beside it, while the setting sun paints the entire shoreline in soft amber tones. A bottle balances upright inside a halved, dew-covered peach, floating gently on a sunlit pool. Ripples spread outward across the water, echoing the soft, juicy texture of the fruit itself. A jar sits on the polished wooden deck of a boat, as ocean waves crash against the side, sending a dramatic splash skyward. Lush green cliffs rise in the background under a bright, clear sky. A jar rests on a small bamboo raft, drifting across a turquoise lagoon scattered with hibiscus and plumeria blossoms. The water glows under tropical sunlight, turning the formula into a floating spa ritual. A translucent soap bar floats gently on the still surface of a quiet pond, droplets clinging to its glassy edges. Pink and white water lilies drift around it, their reflections rippling softly across the dark water. Theme miniature. A bottle erupts in a cloud of fine white powder, frozen mid-explosion against a moody, dark backdrop. Tiny vintage biplanes weave through the falling particles, turning a simple care routine into a playful aerial adventure. A dropper releases a single golden drop onto a rippling sea of liquid gold. Miniature rowboats drift across the surface, their tiny passengers paddling through waves made entirely of the formula itself. A bottle tips sideways, pouring a stream of golden liquid into a glittering ocean below. Tiny surfers ride the cascading wave, while soft lavender blooms frame the scene in the warm afternoon light.